happy holidays and Merry Vlogmas. All of the things. Today is the last day of Vlogmas. It's bittersweet. I've enjoyed talking to you all every single day from December 1st to today. But it's sweet because I get to rest. I'm going to be taking a little bit of a hiatus between now and the end of the year for long form content. But again, I told you all I have almost 2,000 pieces of content on here, so have at it. And we'll be back fresh for the new year. But the whole purpose of today's video is to talk about the gifts that I received, or at least some of the gifts I received. And I want to share some of the special ones. So I'm going to start with the ones that I got for myself. And I got one little, well, you've seen me buy a lot of things throughout Vlogmas, and they weren't the gifts. The one thing that I did get for myself was a ticket, I guess you want to call it, to the hot chocolate 5K run here in Chicago. So the 5K run is like I believe it might be the last like marathon / 5K type of race for the outdoor racing season kind of a thing. And it is in November, so it's kind of cold. I'm hoping it's mild by that time, but it's on November 2nd of 2025. And I needed motivation to go ahead and do it. Every year I'm like, oh, I should do it. I did it like 10 years ago. And I enjoyed it. The hot chocolate was the best hot chocolate I ever had in my life. And every year since, I'm like, oh, I'm going to sign up again. And fast forward, a whole decade goes by. And in 2025, it will be my 10-year return to the hot chocolate race. But nonetheless, I needed some motivation. So I just bought it early to force myself to go ahead and do the 5K. I've done a lot of 5Ks over, that time span. However, I haven't gone back to do the hot chocolate. So that was the gift to myself. I had some other things that I was eyeballing that I didn't buy. The other day I was at a shoe store and saw these, to me, amazing rhinestone crystal studded cowboy boots from Betsy Johnson. I have loafers that look similar, but did not pick those up. Kind of showed a little bit of restraint. But let me get into some of the fun things that I got for Christmas. So the very first thing is a gift from my alma mater that I want to share. This is so cute. I sit on the board, the alumni board at my alma mater. And as a thank you for our service, they sent this lovely gift. And so let me go ahead and open this up with you. It's very heavy. There are a lot of things in here. I was able to peek inside, but I wasn't able to really open it. So they gave me, which I absolutely love, a bunch of fun stickers. I don't know if you know this about me, love stickers. They gave me, I don't know what this is. Is it a flag? Can you stick a stick in here? Yeah, it's a flag. I guess you could put a stick in here. I could probably put this in my cubicle at work because we're cubicling now come the top of the year. Oh, this is cute. A little glass coaster. I might bring that for work as well because I drink tea every morning. So that should be good for the office. A luggage tag thingy. I already have one, a Loyola one, but I have plenty of luggage. So I could put it on another one of my bags, which is great. I'm assuming this is a mug. Oh, this is so cute. It's a hot chocolate kit. Yes, it's a mug and it's super cute. It's very sturdy, nice. But inside, it has the s'mores kit here, which is super cute. I am going to make a s'more with it. Hand wash only, but I love this. This is like really sturdy, like thick ceramic cup. I like that. Ah, cute. It's a button. It's a Sister Jean super fan button. This is the most adorable thing I have seen ever. And is this a notebook? Oh, a notebook. Yes. Love it. I use these constantly to jot down my notes, especially when I'm like brainstorming for video concepts or my to-do list and things like that. I use journals constantly. I don't lose them. Some people scribble in it a little bit, lose them, find another. Like, I am consistent in using journals for a particular, like, this journal is for YouTube. This journal is for surround sound. This journal is for, you know what I mean? And so I'm very consistent about how I use my notebooks. And I love this. Thank you. So that's everything from Loyola. I also want to share a fun gift from one of my friends. She was only in town for a couple days, but she was able, we met up to exchange gifts, and here's the gift. When she handed it to me, I'm like, what is this, a bowling ball? She was like, close. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen and heard me kind of talk here too. I'm on a accidental fitness journey. I kind of started doing little things here and there, and here I am trying to get a 4-pack and muscles in my legs and a lifted butt. Those are my goals. And so knowing that she got me a few things that are really, really cool. So the first one is a muscle compressor. So, you know, as you kind of start to build your muscles, you can do this roller massager thingy on it. I remember when I trained, maybe it's almost a decade ago at this, maybe 8 years ago. I had a personal trainer, and this was one of the more important things that he shared with me after you train, to make sure that you massage your muscles. Well, I didn't have one of these and didn't get one of those punchy thingy machines and didn't have the wherewithal to stretch and do it myself. So it was my excuse to go to the Asian reflexology massage places, and I went like maybe every other week. So I have one of these. This is good. It'll save me money. It'll save me time. And then the other thing she got me, because I'm not sure if we talked about this before, my go-to thing, well, my hobby and my pastime is going for long walks. But my go-to thing when I want to like slim down is go for long walks. It's very easy on the body, and I love to sightsee. You don't even feel like you're working out, but it's just as effective as running, just as long as the distance is the same. But that all said, you can amp it up a bit, and I don't know why this feels so heavy, because it's only 5 pounds. It's two 2.5-pound leg weights here, ankle weights, to just amp up that walk or whatever exercise I'm doing. If I'm doing pull-ups or knee tucks or anything that requires the legs, if I want to bring it up a notch, I can wear these ankle weights. And she's like, I'm sure you already have some. And I was like, guess what? Nope, I don't have the muscle compressor, nor do I have ankle weights. Things that I probably should have, but I just never have. All right, and so the big gift, which really surprised me, is from hubby, and it came like this, and I'm like, oh, what a big surprise. I knew it was shoes, the way the box was looking, but I didn't know it was these type of shoes. As I was opening the gift, I did film it. So I filmed an unboxing without any sound or anything, so you could see it just as I was seeing it. But this has already been opened. But just so you can see, you can't see it. So let me show you what I saw. So you kind of show you what I saw, and hopefully I'm doing a cutaway too, so you can see it. But it comes with all the stuff inside, and then so when I opened it, I was like, who? Jimmy what? Jimmy who? So yeah, open this up, and I was really, really nervous because when I think Jimmy Choo, I'm thinking Sex and the City, I'm thinking high heels and pumps, and I think you all know that high heels and I don't get along really well anymore. So I was really nervous. I was gonna be like, we gotta take them back, blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I kind of went through the motion of, trying to film and open at the same time, which was crazy because I was super excited and trying to get it open at the same time. Each one comes in this super, fancy little dust bag, and it's like sateen kind of a feel to it. It's really, really nice, each one. And then here is the shoe. These are some pointy toe Mary Janes with this beautiful crystal buckle, and it has little rock studs here at the end. He got these in a size 6, and I don't know my size in Jimmy Choo, but it turns out that I need a 6.5. I need just a little bit more room here in the toe box. This leather feels amazing. It is 100% goat leather. I've heard of lamb and cow, of course, but I've never heard of goat leather. It's very soft. Hopefully it's really durable. So I think I'm going to, I don't know if you can see these crystals up close. Really, it's hard to see these details. It's very, very nice. So I think I'm going to, there is a store here in like sort of the suburbs area, like 18 miles away. I feel like I'm going to go in store to do the exchange as opposed to online, because I'm too anxious. I don't want to have to wait to send it back and do the whole communication, all. So I'm going to see if I can just go into the store and do the exchange that way. But yeah, so that's my gift from hubby. Like I said, I don't buy myself super expensive big ticket items. That's his department. I don't have the stomach to buy anything ever full price, anything luxury, anything like, yeah, you all know, like, if it ain't at Nordstrom Rack at a deep discount, if it ain't, I don't know. I just can't, but somehow, some way he can. So there you have it. That was those are the gifts that I'd like to share with you today. Again, taking a break so don't, think anything happened to me. Nothing is wrong. May see some OOTDs. I filmed my OOTD today. Hopefully I could put it. Is it going to be on this side? I think it's here. What my OOTD look like. I'm keeping it cute, keeping it simple, keeping it comfy for Christmas. And hopefully you have some relaxation and everything planned for yourself, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. 'Tis the season in general. Just to take some time to rest, reflect, and all the good stuffs, because everyone else is doing it. It gives you time and space to do it as well. So happy holidays. And if you don't celebrate, then just take the time to reflect. Thank you all so much for an amazing year. Thank you just for the support, for the love. Some of you literally don't miss a single video, and you give me words of encouragement and positivity every single day. Like, I don't have you on payroll, but somehow, some way, you just lift me up without asking for a fee. So I appreciate you. Again, have a happy holiday, happy new year. See you in January. Bye.
Walking, she's just a fashion girl from Chicago. Rocking, she's just a fashion girl from Chicago.